Welcome to HM Drive, guys. So today you can look at this beautiful car we are just going to review. Uh, we will just see the glimpse of this and also try to explore certain features. As of now, I've got keys of the same. Let's see. So I'm just going to switch on the lights so that you can have a look at this beauty, how it looks. See, beautiful, huh? So let's check out from the side profile. And with what we will do, we will also start the car. As if I'm just showing you the glimpse so that you can understand what kind of profile this is. Just BMW Z4, beautiful shape, design of the car. Again, I'll switch on the lights. Look at this. Now what we will do, we will just check out the car. We will just unlock it. See this. After sitting in this, like, it feels like complete feeling. We will explore certain features of this. First of all, we'll see whether the adjustment is something which is manual, just to adjust the steering. Looks beautiful while sitting in this. A screen which is coming in front of you, this is M40i. This is which gives the output of 4-liter engine, and besides you can see the range basically. And you can also make profile in this car. So you have different one a person has just made BMW fan, so another one is a guest basically. So you can make profile for the car, make your own setting for the same. You have, like other BMW, you have certain features which comes quite same. You can see media, communication, navigation, car, apps. Like in case you have Apple CarPlay, so can be played in this. I'll not go in detail because I already explained you these features earlier. So as of now, what I'll do, I'll just start the car. I'll just start the car. Or you can hear the sound of this. And I also remove the cap for the same car. So we'll just take a view from outside for the same car. You will see the glimpse of this from outside. I'll just show you that exhaust as well. See the beauty, how it sounds, the growling sound, how the exhaust gives you the feeling. It's like amazing feel. So right now what we will do, we will sit in this again, and we'll close these soft top, as this one is a soft top option which comes in this. The red interior which looks so beautiful. I've just given acceleration so you can hear the sound. This is Harman Kardon which is coming in this. You see the interior part, it looks beautiful. I'll just close. This is how it comes closer. See how the windows rolls up. It looks beautiful. Inside, outside, always it looks so beautiful. So we have seen how it just closes and how it just open, and you can see the console where you have tetragon trimming in this, which looks so beautiful. It has Harman Kardon sound system, which is again which gives the beautiful output. We can see the sport mode, comfort mode, eco pro, adaptive. So it has a different mode. Adaptive is something as per the the situation. Basically it will change the method of drive. This is electronic handbrake. This is your iDrive ID7, which comes in this, which is quite advanced, which can be operate. I just show you a little glimpse of this. You can see the how ID7 works. So you see this is what BMW iDrive for intelligent drive system. See the interior ambient lighting is something which is beautiful in the same car, which looks marvelous. So it gives a beautiful view. So guys, it was an experience with BMW Z4. We will come up with some more options, some more videos. Stay connected, stay tuned.